Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make a paper bag wreath. What you're gonna need is a piece of cardboard. You're gonna need a big paper plate, a small paper plate, some brown paper bags, either grocery bags or lunch bags, scissors, a marker, a bottle cap, and glue. What you're gonna do first is you're going to trace your big paper plate onto the cardboard, just like that. Okay, then you're gonna cut this out. All right, now you're gonna take your little paper plate, put it in the middle of your round cardboard and trace this little paper plate all the way around. And now we have to cut that out. Sometimes the easiest way to do that is to kind of fold it a little bit and then start with a cut and then cut it out. All right, now look what I have. I have my wreath shape. So now I need to make my paper bag leaves to put on it. So I'm gonna take my paper bag and I'm going to draw a leaf shape on it. So it's kind of just like that. And you can draw several on here and then we're gonna cut them out. So I stacked together several bags to make the cutting go a little bit faster. But if you can only cut one bag at a time, that is okay. All right, after you have your leaf cut out, then you're gonna take this stack and fold it and do a really nice crease on there. All right, now I have all my cut leaves and they're all folded. So now it's time to glue them onto my wreath. I have my glue here and I'm gonna put some glue on here. I'm just gonna do one little section at a time and I'm just gonna glue them kind of sideways and overlapping like that. I think what makes these wreaths so pretty is that fold we put into the leaf. When we've bent it, it makes the leaves really stick out. Now I'm gonna do another section and you can go over the top of those so that they're overlapping as well. All right, I'm adding the last ones right now. This looks beautiful. Look at this wreath. So now I'm just gonna push all my extras to the side. We're gonna use our bottle cap here and we're gonna glue it right onto the back because this is the hanger. This is how we're gonna hang it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some glue right here on the back, put my bottle cap on there, and now we have a way to hang this beautiful wreath. Now what you can do is you could paint this different colors. You could add flowers or decorations to it to make it personalized to you. Or you can just leave it brown like this because I think this is beautiful. If you want to do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.